All right, guys. So I just want to make something clear that I really didn't explain in the last video with the S2 salt pepper gun. The first 5 rounds you got pretty good power, but beyond that, not really good. And if you can make the first 5 rounds count, you're good. But I still don't like the design of the mag and how you got to load it. From being on fire, put it on safety, to take the mag out, and to load a new mag, and then put it back on fire. That I can't stand with the S2. And I really think they could have did a better... I don't even know why they would have done that, to be honest. It makes 0 sense. Now, if you could empty your mag and put a fresh mag in while it's on fire, this would be a lot better, because you could reload your mag a lot faster if you needed to. So I don't know why the hell they did that, but I still say I would not recommend one of these unless you can make that one mag basically effective. And the only way you're going to really do that I can tell is a lot of you won't do it or don't prefer to do it. That's your choice, but taking them 5 rounds to the face, that's about the only way I can see how this will be effective for 5 shots, 1 mag already loaded, in a self-defense scenario. Now, I'm going to make some videos on this tomorrow, shooting it with some different projectiles, just so you guys can see the numbers. I love how it looks. I love the grip, and it feels really good in the hands when you're shooting it. But man, all those other things I mentioned in my review video of this, I can't make no sense on how or why they would do that. That makes just no sense to me. But I just wanted to throw this video out there for you guys. I will be making some more shooting things based off of 1 mag. So if you guys want to have a little better idea to figure out if you still want to get one of these or not, that's what I'm going to do. And as far as the sights go, they were white. That was garbage. That could have been a lot better, cleaner, even printed on there, or however the hell they did it. I took alcohol and it just took it right off. I purposely did that. I prefer them just to be black. Because that white on there, as people call Glock sights, that was more generic than, I don't even know. I mean, shit. But to sum it all up, would this be effective for self-defense? Yes and no. yes, if you're able to make those 5 rounds count to a place you may not be willing to shoot, which is going to be the face, I can't see how this will be effective, because you're not going to have time to reload. Seconds matter, and you guys know yourself. If someone's going to attack you, they're going to attack you a lot faster than you can, the way this is designed to reload the magazine. So I'm going to leave us at that. I'll put some more videos up with this tomorrow for you guys. Shooting different things with different rounds. And we'll just see what damage five rounds, 1 mag will do to give us a better idea of this thing. As well as obviously the chronograph with it. So that's it for this video, you guys. Like, share, subscribe, and feel free to leave your comments. Let me know what you think about the sights there now. At least they're not freaking transparent white and black. Could have at least used industrial paint so it didn't come off, but what are you going to do, right? You get what you pay for. So let me know what you guys think. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good night.